Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andre Holloman, your Connecticut real estate agent. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 best questions to ask your mortgage lender. If you're looking to purchase your first home or you're looking to buy again, going through the process of speaking to a lender can be daunting. You want to make sure that you're choosing the right person to help you get through the process. Most people find their lender through their sphere or social channels, meaning their friends, colleagues, church, or social community. You want to be equipped with the right questions to ask, the same way you would if you were interviewing a realtor. So question one is, what programs do you recommend in my given situation? You want to ask this question because everybody's situation is going to be different. You want to make sure the mortgage lender that you're speaking to understands your scenario and can help guide you through your process. Number two, depending on when you actually start, you want to ask, what is the current interest rate? Depending on where you are in the market or depending on where we are at that time, interest rates do fluctuate. So you want to make sure that the mortgage lender that you're speaking with can actually give you the up-to-date or accurate interest rate of that time. Number three, you want to ask, what are all the costs involved? So there are points, prepayment penalties, and other costs that are associated with. Your lender is going to be able to explain all those things and terminologies with you to make sure that you understand exactly what you're paying for as you're getting the home for yourself. So you also want to ask, what are your credit requirements? Each lender has a different set of requirements for what they loan to. So some lenders start at 580, some lenders start at 640. You want to ask that lender specifically, what do they require for your credit for you to get a loan? Number five, you want to ask, how much should I have saved for a down payment? Now, this is going to be specific to you and to your scenario as we talked about in the previous question. So asking your lender, how much do you need to take advantage of putting down is going to be very, very unique to your situation. Number six, you want to ask, how much can I afford? Now, while you may have your own budget, you also want to run that by your lender, so you want to make sure that both of you are in the same space of making sure you're maximizing every dollar that you're putting in towards buying your home. Number seven, you want to ask, what's my payment going to be? Now, one thing we always tell everybody, no matter the price that they give you, you live in the payment. So that monthly payment is what you're going to be budgeting around, and it matters to you. So number eight, you want to ask, do you offer pre-approval or a pre-qualification? You want to ask them what the difference is. The lender that you're working with should be able to explain that to you in detail so that you know when you're going out shopping, working with your realtor, that you're giving the best scenario possible to win that offer. Number nine, you want to ask them, do you offer a rate lock? You want to have them explain. They should be able to explain to you what the rate lock means and what it does for you in the event when you're going through the purchase of the home. 10, you want to ask them, how long does the loan process take? Reason why you want to ask that is, but depending on their processing time and what they have, you want to make sure that it aligns with your realtor and the contract that they're writing so that you can actually close on time or make sure that it doesn't put more stress on the lender themselves. So these are the 10 best questions to ask your mortgage lender. Thank you for watching. And once again, I'm Andre Holloman, your Connecticut real estate agent. Please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe.